In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same one again. You can also go into settings, click on location over here and tap on this sweater at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!